You are watching channel Maths and Method Academy. In this video we are going to evaluate the given arithmetic expression by applying BODMAS rule. If you want to understand BODMAS rule in detail, then you can watch one of my videos, link of which is given in the description of this video. So let's move on to our solution. But before we move for the solution, let us briefly understand what BODMAS is. Actually, BODMAS word is the collection of 6 words. Actually, it is an abbreviation. BODMAS is an abbreviation of 6 words. Let us write down those 6 words. BODMAS. B stands for brackets. We have 4 types of brackets: line bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. And we open them also in the same sequence. O stands for order. Order means some number raised to power, like 5 square, square root of any number, etc. D stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, let's move on to our solution. In this expression we don't have any bracket, so we will go with the hierarchy of sign, like division first, after that multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Actually there is no subtraction even there in this expression. So first of all we go and solve the division part. Division we can change to multiplication, and then we can write the reciprocal of the number which is appearing after the division. So 7 over 3 will become 3 over 7. Now the first 3 numbers or 3 fractions, they are with multiplication, so we can solve them with each other. So this 3 cancels with this 3, 2 cancels with 2, so we are left with 1 over 7 plus 1 over 2. Let's take LCM of these, which is 14. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9 over 14. This is the answer of our question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.